everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kalista Williams. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're not new to my channel, thank you for watching my videos. So today I'm going to be using my hairbrush that I got for my birthday. It is in my previous video what I got for my birthday, and let me guys show you what it is. Anyways, we're gonna be using this. This is how it looks like. It looks pretty cool. It's not turning on. Okay. Pretty hot. It kind of makes a noise. I don't know. It is kind of hot. I'm using this. Okay guys, so this is my hair right now. It looks good, right? It looks good, but like, I don't know, it was really hot and I was like, oh gosh, that is pretty bad. Like, I had to keep brushing and brushing and brushing for it to like work, and I was like, oh gosh. But yeah, it's pretty, I don't know how I feel about it. But I'm gonna do the other side and see what happens. Pretty cool. A lot of hair. Yep, a lot of hair. I kind of got like a lion's mane in a way. Wow. So yeah, now I have to cut my end. Have to do that and see how it works out. I'll get back to you guys later. Also, I'm sorry that I didn't record any of like me like blowing out my hair. It's just that at first I didn't think that it would work and I was a bit hesitant on showing you guys, so I was like, oh no. And I also ran out of this, so I had to like call my cousin and see like what I could use. So I used this you know, the twisting cream. Probably not supposed to do that, but I think it worked really well. It also said to get like elongated hair, use the blow dryer with a nozzle, and on dry hair to do it, so for blowout and stuff like that. Also, sorry that the vent was on, and I hope that didn't distract you too much. Sorry, I'm touching my hair a lot. Yeah, now I'm gonna put oil on my hair. Someone texted me and someone did a message on Facebook, so I'm just gonna put oil on my hair just to do this. But yeah, now I'm going to be putting this away. Will I use it again? Yes, but I'll be more cautious with it. So yeah, it is pretty hot and it takes a while to like blow out my hair. Also, like when I try to switch the mode, it's kind of troubling sometimes. And it's kind of like I have to be like rough with it and stuff. And but yeah, and it's really hot right here, so I have to hold it right here. So yeah, anyways, that's my review on that. It's pretty short. It's not really a review, but you know, this is what like my experience with it. I'm gonna trim my ends and show you how it looks like. This is how it looks like now. You like my hair? Ooh, it out. Jeez, I got a lot of hair. I got a lot of hair. Wow. Jeez. It's like it's all over the place. Wow. I'm about to go show my mom right now how my hair looks and thank her for everything. Okay guys, so right here I was just trying to part my hair, you know, like how African Beauty does it, but you know how some things just don't work and it doesn't take as quickly as she does. Anyways, I was trying to part my hair, but yeah. Whoop. how it looks like when it is trimmed. It's okay, pretty long. If you like what you see, like, comment, and subscribe. I'll be making more videos in the future. If you like, sorry, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.